Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Kraken to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT between exchanges for trading or diversification, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a verified account on both Kraken and Binance. You'll also need some USDT in your Kraken wallet and the exact deposit address from Binance. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. It's usually found in the Wallet or Funds area, easy to spot. Step 2. Select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Kraken will prompt you to choose the network, like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. This is crucial. Make sure it matches the network your Binance wallet supports to prevent lost funds. For most users, TRC20 is faster and cheaper, but always verify on Binance first. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. Kraken might charge a small fee, so check that beforehand to avoid surprises. Step 4. Paste your Binance USDT deposit address. You can find this in your Binance account under the Wallet section. Double-check for accuracy. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 5. Review all the details. Add any required 2FA codes for extra security and hit confirm. Once you do, the transaction will be processed. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes to an hour. After that, hop over to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything's set up right, your USDT should appear soon. A quick tip. Always use the same network for withdrawals and deposits to avoid complications. And remember, crypto markets are volatile, so plan your moves wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Kraken to Binance in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.